In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clean, uninstall and reinstall Discord. If Discord won't open, keeps crashing, or won't update, a clean reinstall usually clears out corrupted files and gets you back online fast. Start by fully closing Discord. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus ES key to open Task Manager. In the processes list, end anything related to Discord. Look for Discord, discord.exe and update.exe and click End Task for each one. If you see the Discord icon in the system tray, make sure it's not running there either. When everything is closed, you can exit Task Manager. Next, uninstall Discord from Windows. Press Windows plus I to open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Find Discord in the list, select Uninstall and follow the prompts until it completes. This removes the program, but some leftover files can still cause issues, so we'll clear those next. This part is the most important. Delete the remaining Discord folders. Press Windows plus R to open the run box and type %appdata%, then press Enter. In the folder that opens, find the Discord folder and delete it. These files include cached data and settings that can prevent a clean reinstall. Now press Windows plus R again, type %localappdata% and press Enter. Delete the Discord folder you see here as well. Be sure you're deleting only the folder named Discord. If Windows says a file is in use, double check that Discord is closed. If it still won't delete, the next step will help. Restart your PC. This clears locked files and background services so the reinstall can proceed without conflicts. After the restart, download a fresh installer only from the official source at https:/discord.com download. Choose Windows 64-bit, which is recommended for most systems. Avoid third-party sites to protect your system and ensure you get the latest version. Now reinstall Discord, run the installer you just downloaded and let it fully install and update. The first launch can take a minute as it sets up. Once it opens, log into your account. If you had Discord set to start automatically with Windows, you can re-enable that later in Discord settings. That's it. You closed every running process, uninstalled the app, cleared the leftover folders, restarted, grabbed a clean installer from the official site, and completed a fresh install. You should now have a clean, stable copy of Discord ready to use.